Next question says, government collects taxes to ensure that 1. Citizens contribute to meeting society's needs. 2. There's sufficient money to fund private businesses. 3. Politicians get paid in a timely manner. And 4. A government program exists for every need that arises. So again, not really sure if this is economics, maybe more so government or civics, but I would say 1 is the best answer here, that citizens contribute to meeting society's needs. It's not going to be the case that you're trying to fund private businesses. Government doesn't collect taxes just to fund private businesses. Government uses it to fund public programs and other forms of government spending. It's not the case that government's collecting taxes to ensure that politicians get paid. Yes, some money gets paid to politicians, but most of the money does not. And finally, government does not collect taxes to make sure that every single government program that exists for every single need is going to be covered. There's going to be a cost-benefit calculation involved in deciding whether or not a government program is necessary based on how much money it would cost. And so you don't just collect money so you could throw money at the wall and everything. So 1 is going to be the best answer. I want to clarify that from an economics standpoint, government typically is going to collect taxes from in order to correct market failure in which you think that the cost curve for certain firms does not reflect the actual cost that they're imposing. So that may be externalities, it might be something like that. And so that's something else that government might use taxes to do from an economic standpoint. Let's take a look at the previous year's answer. So they also chose 1. And they said that the provision of goods and services that cater to the collective needs of society, adding to their welfare, is not profitable enough of a market action to be undertaken by the private sector. Since public goods suffer from the problem of free riding due to their non-excludability, private producers and suppliers do not manufacture the same. Hence, it becomes the responsibility of the state to provide public goods to the population of the country. Tax receipts are the primary source of funds with which the government ensures the provision of public goods. They allow citizens to contribute to meeting society's needs that ultimately enhances their well-being. So yeah, again, that's a good point. Government needs to have money in order to provide public goods, since private companies will not do that. And so taxes are one way to get that money. So good answer.